grilled with butter and soy sauce that brings out the sweetness of the corn. Hello, everyone, I'm Misuzu. Thank you for watching Hakori Ouchi Gohan today. Today I would like to introduce corn grilled with butter and soy sauce. It is an exquisite recipe that combines corn with butter, soy sauce, and grated cheese. It's a quick and easy snack to make. Please enjoy till the end. Let's make it right away. I'm writing the recipe on my blog. The link is in the summary section. The table of contents and subtitles are also attached. Ingredients. It's the amount of 2 corn. It's delicious to bake paprika or zucchini together. The color is beautiful and it goes well with butter soy sauce. If you don't like grated cheese, it's also delicious with a squeeze of lemon juice. You can omit the garlic if it's for small children. Let's start. Peel the skin off the corn. Cut off the core and cut into 2 or 3 lengths. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces this time. Cut it vertically into 4 pieces. The core of corn is quite hard. Please cut carefully. If it's hard to cut, heat it in the microwave for a bit to make it softer and easier to cut. Grate the garlic. Add it to soy sauce. Use a large frying pan. Heat over a fire to warm. Add a little more oil. This uses rice bran oil. Use whatever oil you like. When the oil is hot, add the corn. Place the fruit side down. Let's put the lid on. Reduce heat to medium-low heat. Make a sizzling sound. Heating time is about 6 to 7 minutes. The corn is ready when it smells good and the core is slightly curved. This time it's not very brown, but I prefer it to be browned and charred. This is a video from another day, but it looks like this. I like to bake this crispy. It looks delicious when it's colored. Add unsalted butter and garlic soy sauce mixed earlier. Engage in the whole. When the soy sauce and butter are all over, it's done. It turned out so delicious. Remove and sprinkle with grated cheese while still hot. Let's put it in a dish. Because the corn is hot, the cheese disappears after a while. Sprinkle again here. Sprinkle with chopped Italian parsley. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the sweetness and juiciness of corn. Done. Let's eat it right away. Baking brings out the sweetness of the corn. The richness and flavor of butter and soy sauce is an exquisite combination. The saltiness of the grated cheese adds a nice aftertaste. It's easy to make and delicious, so please try it. The detailed recipe is written on the blog. I would be happy if you could come and see it. Please don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching today as well. This channel has a recipe without sugar. Please don't forget to like the video. And subscribe to my channel. The recipe is also written on the blog. Please come and see it from the link in the summary column.